Okay, here are the puppies. I think most of their eyes are opening up. Maybe not all. Here's our little runt. His eyes are opening. They're hungry. They're waiting for Mom to come back in. This one here is a big fat male. He's the biggest of the bunch. And this one here with the blood spots on, that's from rubbing up against Mom, by the way. But it's just on the hair and I don't wash it off. I just leave it on so she knows. That one here is another big fat male. And they are hungry this morning. Lefty. Mom's out eating her breakfast here. Hi, buddy. Hi. Hi. He's a biggin. There's a little red nose. Let's see who's in this pile here. There's a little red nose. There's a black nose. This black-nosed one here is a male. And then this black-nosed one here. This is another male, I believe. Yep. I know. Are you hungry? Oh, she's on my camera, sorry. They're all sleeping. So the two that have been picked out so far is this little blue-collar girl here, the little small one, and the little runty girl here are both spoken for. Those are the two that have been picked out so far. Everybody else has to start picking out their puppies. But yeah, he's gonna have a nice thick coat on him. So there they are this morning.